How to fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if TikTok says that the video resolution is not supported at this time. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If TikTok says that the video resolution is not supported at this time, what does it indicate? Well, it usually indicates that you're trying to upload a very high quality video and TikTok does not support it. TikTok currently only supports up to 1080p of videos. So if you're trying to upload in 4K or even higher like 2K, 4K, 8K, then in that case it will try to scale it down, but if not, then it will give you that error message. Now to fix this, you can usually re-export your video in 1080p and you can use any editing app for this. I'll simply use InShot because it's free, but it is totally up to you. You could be using any other application. Just go ahead and then choose the video that maybe you want to re-export it and tap the arrow button. And over here, I'll just tap on next and tap on OK. Now here you can see the option called canvas towards the bottom left. Tap on canvas and here just select TikTok as a resolution, then tap the arrow button. Then tap on export and it will export it. Now you can upload the exported video back to your TikTok. So remember, you can only upload up to 1080p and not higher than that. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.